if he grabs me and I get my hands up to protect myself, because now I've got a threat, and I've got a threat, and we've got the threats here, and I want to protect myself from all these threats. The simple act of doing this protects me from everything. How? Well, if I'm here going, hey man, I'm really sorry, I established a small little tactile sense here. Why? Because the immediate threat is this hand. I can't see it. If I'm here, or I'm doing whatever, if he lets go and pops me here, I can't stop that. It's under my field of vision. So if I put my hands here and he tries to hit me from here, I can feel him here. So I take care of that here, but I can't do this. Hey man, he's gonna fucking touch me. So it has to be very congruous and light. Hey, now I'm really sorry, I've done it now. Threat here, because he can punch me. I've taken care of this one. My hand comes up here as I'm talking to him. So now, this becomes a psychological obstacle for him. And it can't be, hey, because that's very invasive. But if I'm here and I'm keeping him back here, going, hey man, I'm really sorry, it's invasive. So if anything comes around, reflexively, or if he goes through, well, he's got to touch my hand first. So I've taken away his angles of attack. And the cool thing is he has no clue I'm doing this. He just thinks I'm scared. And I'm taking away his grounding. How? I'm moving, right? So he has to constantly reposition himself. And I'm moving away from the dynamic knee and punch here as I'm talking. Hey man, if I'm letting it down, I'm really sore. I got a couple of bucks on me. Closest weapon, closest target. Before I do this, I'm going through the 5 principles now. This is where we apply the 5 principles, right here. It's not about techniques, it's about principles and concepts. Closest weapon, closest target. From here, I've got a couple. So in my brain, I have to make a decision before I start anything, what kind of threat am I facing? So now in my head, I'm going maximum threat, right? Potentially lethal. Why? Well, a couple of his friends are there. I noticed something, he's got something sticking out behind there. So for my head now, I'm going, this is lethal. So I'm going, hey man, look, I got $500. Boom. Are you gonna stop that? No. Okay, so we start that again. Don't let me hit you, no matter what I do. Don't let me make my first move. So if I'm going, hey brother, I got a couple of boom. Okay, so there's rule number 1. We end up here. Did you stop that? No. Now what's Chris doing? He's reacting to the move realistically. He's doubling over. He's trying to pull away, but I've pinned his hand. So I can feel the resistance. It's real. He's not just freezing there. There's resistance pulling me down. So from the resistance here, I've trapped, and I just popped him with a shot to the groin. What's my closest weapon, the closest target now? I gotta go, okay, lethal force. Boom, here's his throat. I strike here. From here, he reacts and steps back. But Rich said to do 5. Okay, we're at 2. Right? So I go, oh shit, look. His hand is here, he's trying to grab mine. Pinky finger is right here. Fingers, grab him. Just fucking start, right? Then I go, oh shit. Closest weapon, closest target. His hand let go, his thumb is right here. Snap the thumb. Now I go into his eyes. Right away. Why? I was there. So what do I do from the eyes? Rip. That was my 5th move. And now I'm out. If I need